Ever feel like your Mazda's clutch pedal is just a little off? Maybe it's a bit sticky, or the engagement point feels vague. Well, this Mazda clutch pedal assembly, part number FE05-41-300C, might just be the solution you've been looking for. It's not the most glamorous part of a car, but trust me, a good clutch pedal makes all the difference in the driving experience, especially in a manual transmission Mazda. This assembly is a direct replacement, designed to bring that factory-fresh feel back to your clutch operation. Installation, while requiring some mechanical know-how, is generally straightforward for someone comfortable working on their car. The build quality feels solid, as you'd expect from a genuine Mazda part. There's a satisfying heft to it, and the pivot points feel smooth and well lubricated right out of the box. What's really impressive is the immediate difference it makes once installed. The pedal action becomes noticeably more precise. That vague feeling, gone. It's replaced by a crisp, defined engagement point that makes heel-toe downshifts and smooth starts so much easier. You can feel the quality in every press. It's like the car is finally communicating its clutch status clearly again. For anyone who enjoys the engagement of a manual transmission, this is a huge upgrade. It's not just about replacing a worn part, it's about restoring and even enhancing the tactile connection between you and your Mazda. It's a small change that has a surprisingly big impact on the overall enjoyment of driving. In the end, the Mazda clutch pedal assembly FE05-41-300C delivers exactly what it promises: a restored, precise, and satisfying clutch pedal feel.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.